So folk tales, you're going to write folk tales at the top. Yep. Folk tales, and it is one word. Folk tales. Well, what is a folk tale? A folk tale is a traditional story. Folk tales were originally passed down by word of mouth. So when we think about a folk tale is a story that is passed down by word of mouth. Yep.
Oh. Wait, we do or not? We do. Okay. Yeah.
So folk tales are usually passed down, or were originally passed down by word of mouth. A folk tale is a traditional story. Folk tales are told in cultures all around the world. What I do, you do. Many folk tales have messages. The message tells a person or a moral of a story. So, for example, some of the lessons may be treat others how you want to be treated. What? That's just one moral of a story. Boy, I'm seeing blank pieces of paper. It's a good thing that I'm recording this so you can work on it. So I'm going to do my thinking cloud. You know how Miss Aircraft likes her thinking clouds. So my little thinking cloud. How do I retell? Or we're going to use the word that we've been working on, summarize a folk tale. So that's what we're thinking. So I'm going to scoot it on down. So I've got to be able to see. The first thing that you have to do is ask yourself, who are the characters? What is the setting?
Can you put it up more?
I can't because people are trying to see the bottom. So you're going to have to start where we're at. You should have been keeping up. So what is the setting? What happened in the beginning, comma, middle, and end? What was the problem? What did the main character learn? How did the lesson change the main character? So folk tales. Folk tales are tales that is typically a traditional story. Folk tales were originally passed down by word of mouth. Folk tales are told in cultures all around the world. Many folk tales have a message. The message tells a lesson or the moral of the story. For example, to treat others how you want to be treated. It can be said in many different ways. Do unto others as you want others to do to you. How do you summarize a folk tale? You're going to ask yourself, who are the characters? What is the setting? What happened in the beginning, middle, and end? What is the problem? What did the main character learn? How did the lesson change the main character?